Hello, Miss. Today I am going to present the topic of air conditioner maintenance and care tips. Proper maintenance of air conditioners is essential to ensure their efficiency and longevity. Regular care helps avoid breakdowns and improve indoor air quality, which is important of health and comfort. First, the air filter is cleaned or replaced every month or as recommended by the manufacturers. The filter, which traps dust and particles, is responsible for maintaining clean airflow and preventing the system from clogging. Second, the condenser coils, which dissipate heat from the refrigerant, are inspected and cleaned at least once a year. When these coils are dirty, the air conditioner efficiency is reduced, causing heat energy consumption. Third, the evaporator coil and drain lines are checked for blockage or mold growth, which can cause water leaks and unpleasant odor. The dry pan where condensation is collected must be kept clean to avoid overflow and damage. Additionally, the refrigerant levels are monitored regularly. If there is a refrigerant leak, the system cooling performance is affected, and it needs immediate repair by a quality technician. Moreover, the thermostat, which controls the temperature setting, is calibrated to ensure accurate operation. Incorrect setting can lead to unnecessary energy use. Finally, the electrician connection and component which power the air conditioner are inspected for wear or damage. Loose or faulty connection may cause system failure or fire hazards. By following these maintenance tips, air conditioners, which are essential for climate control in homes and offices, operate efficiently and have an extended service life. That's all. Thank you.